All right, 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV SEL. Gonna change the cabin air filter. How about a Mitsubishi OEM replacement? All right, so you open this glove box, you push these sides in, and these tabs come out. There's this little rod here that holds it, that makes it smooth operating. You just kind of pinch together the tip, pop that open. This drops down, and the filter's right here. This just unclips right here. So there's a little clip, pull it back, open this up. This whole thing comes off. You can do it on either side. You can see the arrows are pointing down. That's the airflow. So when we put the new one in, we're gonna do the same thing. Match the arrows. See, the arrow is pointing down, down. It's actually pretty clean. There's just some debris in there, but since I already pulled it out, I'm just gonna replace it. I have a new one, so I'm gonna toss that one. Gonna check inside, make sure there's no debris or issues. Airflow down. Put this in here. Okay, so we replaced the filter, we put the thing back on, we're gonna put this back together. So all you have to do is take this little air rod, push it back on, push this back up, and you're all set. Looks good. Operates as it should.